I got my hair to be toned right. I used Pravana Pearl toner, and I left it on for like not even a second. I put it on so fast and then immediately rinsed it off, and it's perfect. I never use toner. Actually, I almost always just use purple shampoo, but because my hair is fried, because my bleach piece is so fried from me, I couldn't leave the bleach on as long to get it as like light. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, look what outfit I'm wearing. You know what time it is. I need to calculate which colors, calculate like I'm doing math. I wanted to do the lime wash, right? I wanted to do pink lime wash in here. The lime wash is too expensive. You're so cute. Like, I just would never. Even if I had $1 billion, I don't think, well, you know what? If I had $1 billion, I probably would. I want to do the faux lime wash, which is where you take like 2 paint colors, like a lighter and a darker, and then you do the little thing. So like I said, how hard could it be? Boys do it. So I'm gonna try and do that DIY. Am I rambling and talking so fast? I had so much espresso this morning and not enough milk in it, to be honest. I feel like that makes me talk fast and go crazy. I wanted to use the shade Dumbo, okay? And so I need to match a paint to that. And I was gonna look on Pinterest. Yeah, like look at these girlies. See this girl right here? DIY faux lime wash wall. These girls get it. Like, this is the vibe I'm going for. Well, I mean, I don't want it to look old, but do you know what I mean? Like, it looks vintagey and just like, I'm going for like a little chic, a little vintage, a little early 2000s, like bro-ho pink and black vibe. Do you know what I mean? The girls that get it will get it. I think I've got enough pink paint. These are all my paint samples from over the years of painting rooms pink. Let's see what we have. I don't know what this is. It says custom color match. This might have been what I painted our backyard fence. I don't know. I kind of feel like this one, right? That feels the most like vintagey pink to me. I'm thinking iced cherry. What do you think? I don't know. Listen, the irony right now of what I'm doing. Hold on a second. Can I have a medium Sprite and a medium unsweetened iced tea, please? Okay, so I'm filming a brand deal. Who even knows like the last time I had a brand deal? Oh my gosh, I almost forgot the whole reason I came here. Hold on. Yeah, can I have a drink carrier, please? I need a drink carrier. It's not even the right kind of drink carrier. No. No, actually, no. Just went inside and they're like, sorry, we only have the 2 drink carrier. I saved this image on Pinterest. Who's yelling? And it was this really cute drink carrier that the girl painted, like pink. This is what I got. What I was trying to say, oh my god, I'm out of breath. The irony is not lost on me, okay? I'm trying to spit this out. That the brief for this job is like about chaos and keeping your hair looking good when you're going through like a chaotic day or work. Like the brief was talking about girls who are DJs and they're like in the club all night partying, but their hair still looks good and they don't have time to do their hair. And I'm like, well, that's perfect because I don't have time to do my hair. I'm a mom and I'm working 24/7. And anyways, it's more chaotic trying to put together a chaotic video for this brand deal because all I want is this cute pink glittery star confettied pink cup holder and nobody has it. And so I left my house to drive around and try and find a cup holder that I could paint pink and put glitter on to make this brand deal so cute, and that has been more chaotic than actually real life. But this is my real life right now because that's what I'm doing today. So I'm gonna go in Starbucks. Come on, dude. Jack in the Box? Okay, I'm gonna go in Jack in the Box. So Jack in the Box didn't have it. So now I have Jack in the Box tacos and another drink. And wow, love this truck parking right here. Guess I should have gone through the drive-thru. The third time better be a charm because I'm not in my slippers too. When I tell you, my eyes lit up like it was freaking Christmas morning in Starbucks right now. Oh my gosh. Well, might as well eat this Jack in the Box taco. I have a fear of like restaurant lettuce. I've got 3 drinks and 2 tacos. Cup holder and a dream, baby. Let's go home. This might be a funnier ad actually. Just know I'm dedicated to the art of the aesthetic video. I'm editing my video now. Oh my gosh, my hair smells so good. My video is for the Bedhead After Party Smoothing Serum. I used to use it in middle school and high school, and I actually forgot about it until they messaged me for this, and it like all came flooding back to me. So I'm really excited that they picked me to work with them. I'm such a big fan. If there's one thing I can't stand, it's hearing myself talk, especially when I have to edit the video. And like doing a voiceover, first of all, I'm monotone, so I'm already boring and annoying, and then I have to hear myself, and then I know that other people have to hear it too, and I'll say something that I think is like so slick, and then I hear it back and I'm like, you're a freak, you're disgusting, you should delete your Instagram. I threw in, because I was editing this and I saw how many times I was trying to get out the phrase, the irony is not lost on me, that I threw it in here. Listen. The vlog girlies are gonna know.
It's in frizz, but I love it for the glossy shine it gives you.
She's not lying. I filmed it on my MacBook photo booth for a little clip in here because like Zoom meeting vibe. Anyways, nobody cares. Paint shirt still on. This sucks. I've been in here since this morning in our bedroom doing this faux lime wash. I think I finally got the hang of it. First wall I might need to go over again. I was hoping to get all of the faux lime wash and paint done today and the flooring. I just don't know who I thought I was at 7 a.m. Let me show you what I've done. It kind of looks lime washy. This is the first wall I did, so it's a little more patchy. I filmed like a little Instagram reel, but basically you just do X marks with 2 different colors of paint. These are both Bear colors. This is Iced Cherry, and then this is Stolen Kiss with a 25% lighter adjustment, and then it dries like that. I also think I want to paint the ceilings high gloss pink, but that sounds so daunting right now. I also only have this day, like today, to do this because I don't have any help with Sunny tomorrow and I have so many errands to run. But I do think it's gonna look really good, and I cannot wait to get rid of these carpets. Right now our bed is in the bathroom. I don't know where we're sleeping tonight. It might be on this floor.
Straight in the front. Legs look like toothpicks. Big. What the heck? Oh no, it's blurry.
Nice wins for you guys. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I hope you're hungry for nothing because the room's not done still. I think it turned out good. Don't look at the ceiling. That's like none of our business right now. The paint turned out good for the faux lime wash. However, I had to go over it twice. And this is by hand doing like X's. I did the first coat with the natural brush because that's what you do normal lime wash with. I had to send Jace to the store to go buy me a different paintbrush so that I could do it again and so it would blend better. So I mentioned before about the floors that I was gonna try and replace and paint all on the same day. I love who I was that day in the morning, but I don't know her. These floors took way longer because, first of all, I'm just a girl. There's nowhere cute to show you. I put this baseboard back on over here already and I started to paint it. It only has one coat, so it looks kind of like shit. I don't have the transition that needs to go here, and this piece also. Whoopsie, I made it too big, so I hope a transition even fixes that. Now listen, I got over here. I can't make this cut. I have a saw, and I sawed off under here. You should have seen the stance I was in, and you can see like I kind of messed it up. But I sawed this off, and the one on that side, and I can't cut this board. This is my mock-up of where it needs to be cut out, and that's the only saw I have, and when that thing turns on, that will send you flying around the room. I was scared to lose my finger. So over here is not done. It needs like 3 boards that way, and then this board, hi Fuzzy, needs to go under the door. And there's a transition from that floor to this floor. That floor is ugly gray. This floor is nice and cute and warm. But yeah, we've got baseboards over here, the floors over here that need to be done. I was trying to do the ceiling myself, but I started to feel like I was gonna pass out and die on the ladder with my head tilted back. I'm always in a car, I swear. Are you ready, baby? Say yeah. Yeah. I did my nails and I ran out of the almond shape gel extension, so I have square and they're extra short. I don't know how I feel. They feel ugly. You want more? You want to have cookie for breakfast? Christmas cookies for breakfast? Let's get you one. Not a regular mom, a cool mom. Today is a crazy day. Jace is playing a gig like for kids for the holidays, and we're bringing Sunny. I need to clean the kitchen from dinner last night. I just went to bed, I was too tired. We're also going to take her pictures with Santa today. Earlier this year, I took her to take pictures with the Easter Bunny at the mall, and the Easter Bunny was drunk. It was a very weird Easter Bunny. Like, he had her, he was holding her, and both of the guys, like the guy taking the picture was strange, and the Easter Bunny like didn't do anything. He was just like sitting there like a stone, a statue. After I left, I was like, that was weird. And then I saw on TikTok later that he was drunk and like his head fell off in front of all the kids and he was like wasted. Hopefully Santa's not drunk. I need a coffee. I'm not even awake yet. Oh, I'm doing the 2/3 method. I think that's what it's called, or the 2 out of 3 theory. It's too early for me to think like that. But basically it's the 3 things are hair, makeup, outfit. And as long as you have 2 out of the 3, you're good. It can be any 2. I forget where I saw this, somewhere online. But I've got my little red outfit on, and I did my hair, and I'm not really doing any makeup. I just have like a no makeup thing going. So I've got 2 out of 3. So I feel accomplished. Up. We gotta get Sunny dressed in her little Santa outfit, and I cannot figure out how to do her hair. She moves too much. I don't think I have the right tools. I need like a toddler hair class. She has bedhead. Look at these curls. I can't stand it. I just don't know, but look at that. Let's see your outfit, OOTD. And you got your Lara bar. The best I could do, and I had to put on Bluey to get it done. Getting out of the house with a toddler is a pro sport. We've got juice, we've got a bar, another bar. She's obsessed right now with CHEESE. If I say it, she's gonna start saying piece cheese, piece cheese. I've got her diapers and wipes, and we're ready to go see Santa. Who is that? Hello. Hey. Say bye, Bluey. Bye, Bluey.